Previously on Ayodhya Decoded, Babri Masjid was unlocked on the court's orders. It led to riots across Delhi, Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh. By the mid-1980s, it was impossible for the Indian public and our politicians to ignore the Ayodhya movement. February 1981, Meenakshipuram, Tamil Nadu. 200 Dalit families converted to Islam. Nobody forced them or induced them. Such repeated incidents of Dalits converting to Buddhism, Christianity and Islam gradually rattled Hindu leaders. They admitted that something was not right in the way the religion was being practiced. Even as they set about reviving awareness about Hindu practices and scriptures, they also chose to revive the Ram Janmabhoomi issue. The Dharam Sansad, or the religious parliament organized by the VHP, was the very first time that rebuilding a Ram temple was listed as an objective to preserve the Hindu Dharam. It was followed up by a bike rally, again organized by the VHP, from where car sevaks from across the country arrived in Ayodhya, came to the Sarayu river, took a dip and pledged to rebuild the temple. While the VHP was on its Ayodhya mission, in Delhi, the Muslim clergy too hit the streets in protest. A 62-year-old woman, Shah Bano, won the right to alimony from the Supreme Court. Muslim clerics said that this Supreme Court judgment was against their religious Sharia law. Rajiv Gandhi then tried to calm the clergy down by passing a law that undermined the Supreme Court ruling on Shah Bano. The BJP, which was trying to emerge as an opposition force at the time, accused Rajiv Gandhi of indulging in appeasement politics. So a section of the Hindus were outraged at the outrage by a section of the Muslim clergy. So Rajiv Gandhi decided to pacify the Hindu lobby against accusations of indulging in appeasement politics. Next on Ayodhya Decoded. The 1989 general election was around the corner. After catering to the Muslim clerics, Rajiv Gandhi now felt the pressure to cater to the Hindu constituency. And what better way than to facilitate the foundation laying ceremony for a Ram Mandir?